Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO, the ultimate in family electric vehicles. This stunning 5-door estate in grey is fully loaded with top-of-the-line features for comfort, safety and style. With amenities like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth and satellite navigation, every drive will be a breeze. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the sleek exterior design is sure to turn heads on the road. Rest assured, this beauty comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer spec and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line electric vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive into the future today with the Volkswagen Id.3 PRO.